morning. This is our night day staying here in Cebu, Philippines, and we are heading to Bantayan today, guys. It's another island in Cebu that we're gonna go to. We're gonna go visit our friend Redeem and probably staying there for 2 nights and then coming back on Wednesday because the next day, Thursday, we're gonna go back to Subic. Anyway, it's about 6:45 here in the morning, and Angie and Pete should be here around 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna go ahead and go straight to the place where we go take the ferry to go to Bantayan Island. So I will show you guys what they have in there, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, we are here now. We are just waiting to be boarded in a ferry. So we still have another 15 minutes. It's called Hagnaya Port. It's called Hagnaya Port. Jack and I'm getting food to eat. Sarap naman niya. Go ahead. Are you gonna go lay down? for 2 nights, guys. We're in 18. Room 18. Got king bed. Nice picture of the beach. They have cups, coffee, sugar. They have something to boil the water. They have mini fridge, air condition, and their bathroom. It's really nice. They got running water. They got flush toilet and a shower. Looks like they have a hot and cold shower here. So that's good. They have a blow dryer. It's not bad at all. It's a very simple room, guys, but at least we have a place to sleep, and it's not hot, and it's cooler here because of the air condition. So, and this is a very cheap room, about $62. I think $62 for 2 nights. I could be mistaken. I will find out later. But anyway, we're gonna show you around the resort and see what it looks like. It looks like they have renovation going on in there. It looks like they are building a swimming pool. So they're working on it. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys outside, show you guys around the resort. All right? Bye. Password mo. Amy's right here, number 20. She's got a really nice room, 2 beds. All right, guys, this is the island. We are here, and this is a beautiful area, guys. White sand. The beach is really clean. Pretty much nobody's in this area. We are so lucky. I'm actually so glad that we got this resort, because this area here has no people, no traffic, and it's just amazing. The view is so awesome. It's clean, quiet, and peaceful. It's just beautiful. This is definitely a place to go in Bantayan Island, and next time when we come back, we definitely will come back on this island. This is a very nice one. Alright guys, we are here at Bantayan Island, and we are going for a walk. Just visiting one of our friends on one of the resort, and this place is really nice. Water is nice, white sand, really fine sand. It's really nice, guys. The water is really nice. There's the sandbar right there. Guys coming?